The workspace is the area where we can browse all the content saved in the instrument. We can access to the workspace from the home menu or from any of the analyzer operating modes by dragging down the top menu and selecting the first icon, Workspace. In the left side, we can see all possible main areas where we can find resources. The Workspace folder, which contains one folder for each working space we have created so far. The Resources folder, which is a general space where we will save all resources that we deem worth keeping in the meter. The USB drive. This will only appear if there is any pen drive connected to the USB 3.0 port. In order to create a new workspace, we need to press on the icon showing a plus symbol with the word Add below it and write the folder's name in the appearing keyboard. You can as well open, load, rename, remove and export to a USB pen drive the selected workspace by pressing on the corresponding folder for 2 seconds. The currently operating workspace is defined by the last workspace you loaded using the Load option from that same menu. Files can be transferred from the USB to either the Workspaces or the Resources folder, and from the Resources folder to any of the workspaces. You need to select first the mode from which you want to retrieve the file, and then the type of file you are looking for. Select that file by long pressing on it, and then choose the Export to option. If you save a resource to an external pen drive, remember to mount the external drive after by pressing on the red Eject button. If we get into the workspace area, we find, below the mode selection, a number of icons representing the different types of resources that can be saved in the instrument. These may vary depending on the mode selected. From left to right we can find Tools. For example, here you can find files that include the measurement correction data when using a specific external 75 to 50 ohm adapter. Channel plans, data loggers, drive test measurement files, which can include XLSX, KML and CSV files. Recordings, which include recorded transport streams, T2MI, ETI and PCM files. ETI files are the result of recording the demodulated DAB signal, and PCM are the result of recording an FM signal. Screenshots, quality files. These are files that contain the threshold information for every measurement and for every signal standard, so that the analyzer can display whether the current tested signal is meeting those thresholds. Whenever we want to find any resource within the workspace, we will choose first the analyzer's operating mode, for example, TV analyzer mode, and then the resource type, for example, screenshots. Once the file has been identified, we must long press on it, and a new menu will pop up with the following options: rename the file, remove the file, export the file to an external USB pen drive. For this, we need to have previously plugged a pen drive to the USB 3.0 port.